Opposition MLA from MAWSYNRAM constituency, HIMA M. Shangpliang, has urged upon the government to bring about remedial steps to solve the ongoing problems faced by commercial vehicle owners, drivers and members of the public in the entire state of Meghalaya.
I urge upon the government that the government should immediately take immediate measures to bring remedial steps in solving this problem. Either the government should bring down the cost of the petrol, which they have charged about 31 rupees per litre as a tax, or the government should increase the taxi fares. But this cannot happen unless the government calls the Joint Action Committee members and discuss with the stakeholders. Now, who are the stakeholders here? The stakeholders here are the commercial vehicle owners, the public who represents the passengers, and this has to be discussed across the table so that through an amicable solution, this whole matter could be solved.